Hey guys, what's up? Clash of Clans, welcome to Clash of Clans. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get straight into this. Today I'm going to be doing a base review for Lovren. Oh my god, he keeps on doing this to me. Let me just sort this out. So yeah, I'm back. Back again. So yeah, remember when I said I'm going to do a base review for Lovren? Yeah, I'm going to be doing that. For fun. Because she really wants a base review for me. So yeah. This is Lovren at the moment. Her base is really good. It's pretty much maxed out. And yeah, I'm attacking on my mini account. Her base is really good, to be fair. Her base is better than my mini account. I'm impressed. She ain't rushed at all. She's pretty much maxed. And yeah. Thanks for watching. And yeah, my clanmate wants me to record everyone's bases, so yeah. I'll get back. I'm back. Let's look at my second account. This is my second account base. At the moment. And I'm on it right now as well. I love the base design. It actually won me a defense. I'll show you it. I love this defense. This is the defense. Wait, this is my old base, sorry. But at least it won though. Let's move on to Evil. That's a good base, good base. You can say it's rushed, but maybe no, it's not rushed. Good base. Let's move on to 2004, yeah, 2004. So this is his base. Good base. So I think it's base. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm not sure what kind of base it is. I think it's anti-freestyle base. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.